hanging indents in Rise. You may need this if you are going to be using ALA style or APA style for your citations. And I made a video a while back how to do this in Rise. That method doesn't even work anymore. I'll show you the proper way to use CSS to get your hanging indents. Now I'm going to open my debugger here, and I'm going to find my first citation on the page. This is the one I want to add the hanging indent to. And if you know a little bit about selectors in Rise, cool thing about Rise, they give you the selectors, but we may need to make it a little more specific. That's what we're going to do here. Okay, so block text P. Anytime I have a block text, let's just test a style here with a background color. Okay, it's not specific enough. That would screw up all of my paragraphs in my entire course. So what we're doing here, I'm going to find the block ID. By the way, this is in a separate block from the ones above. I'm going to get that block ID, and I'm going to copy that whole block ID. I'm going to put it in brackets, attach that to the div. Okay, I've got my correct selector here. And I don't want that red, but let's do text indent 20 pixels. That's going the wrong way. That's a regular indent. Let's do a little math here. Negative 20. That looks good, but look at my other paragraphs. It's out of alignment. So what do? We're not going to give up. Here's my style. Let's get rid of that background color. I'm going to do padding left another 20 pixels, doing a little bit of basic math here. Now everything visually is still aligned, and I got my hanging indent in place. And now that I've got the correct selector for my citations, maybe I want to make it look a little different than the standard paragraphs other than that indent. It's up to you. You're designing the course, right? And by the way, if you want to find out the computed size or the actual size, 17 pixels, you just saw it there, go to the computed tab. Maybe I'll make it 15 because maybe I've got a lot on this page. I'll make it a little smaller, fix my line height there. This is all part of my new official style for my citations, and I document it in my CSS. I'm going to paste it into my stylus. This way, my styles are saved because in the debugger, it's not really going to save your changes, so I put it into stylus. That is before I transform it into, or convert it and save it as a formal theme component. Now as I go through my course, I can see with stylus, I can see my citation style.